Which one are you gonna get?
Charmander.
Which one? Piliin mo.
Charmander.
Alin?
Charmander.
Gusto mo?
Charmander.
Oh, of course.
Charmander.
Where's he going?
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo. Ayun. Ngayon naman, Dwantro Fam, nakita ko sa YouTube may isang video na babies choose their starter Pokemon. So, dahil Pokemon fan ako, kahit dati pa, nung bata pa ako, gusto kong gawin sa baby ko na si Nitro. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang pipiliin niya. Bago natin ipapakita sa inyo kung ano ang choice ni Baby Nitro. Tingnan niyo to. So, this is a Pokemon card folder. So, nag-collect po ako ng Pokemon cards nung bata pa to. O, tingnan niyo to. O, diba? Ayun. Ito yung pangatlong set, yung fossil set. Meron din akong base set. Ayan, yung pinaka-sikat, yung pinaka-mahal din. Pokemon card set. Ayun, si Charizard. O. Ayun, si Charizard. Ayun. So yes, complete po siya. I collected them ever since I was a kid. Parang nostalgia siya for me, no? Masarap yung nostalgia. Parang tuwing tumitingin ako sa mga Pokemon cards ko, parang feeling ko bata na ako ulit. I think I'm having a midlife crisis. Oh, Dad is talking to me through the camera. What's that? Dad is spying on me with his spy cam. Original. So Dad talks to me through this camera. He can see everything that's going on in the house, so he can see what we're up to. What's that? What time is what?
What time did Adam say is he coming up?
Adam?
Adam can't play board games.
Oh.
You and Adam?
No. Oh yeah, he said he was gonna. Yeah, he was gonna go to the hospital today. That's right. Yeah. I don't know. We're gonna do Amberly's Pilates class, and then we're going to probably head up after that. Yeah, well, we'll just head up after Pilates, I guess. I'll give Adam a call. So about 3 or 4, we should be there. Yeah. See you, Dad. See you soon. Bye.
See ya. Bye, mate.
Ayan, yan si Papa. Nasa ospital siya. So mamaya, bisitahan po namin siya ulit. Yan, halos araw-araw kaming pumupunta doon sa ospital. Okay guys, so panoorin nyo to. Tingnan natin kung anong Pokemon ang pipiliin ni Baby Nitro. Okay, Dwantro Fam, eto na. This video, Nitro is going to choose kung alin ang starter Pokemon niya. Yes, baby. You will choose kung alin ang gusto mo. Okay? Yes, you will. Okay, so we're gonna put these toys here. Okay? We have Pokemon plushies. And Nitro will choose the Pokemon plushie.
Let them stand.
So Nitro is gonna choose which starter Pokemon he wants. Okay? Here we go. You ready, baby Nitro? Here we go. Ready? Nitro, choose your starter Pokemon. Go!
Charmander.
Which one? Charmander, Squirtle, Bulbasaur.
Charmander.
Which one?
He can see Bulbasaur.
Yes, he can.
Charmander.
Which one are you gonna get?
Charmander.
Which one? Piliin mo.
Charmander.
Alin?
Charmander.
Alin gusto mo?
Charmander.
Oh, of course.
Charmander.
Where's he going? Go, Nitro. Which one? Which one? Oh, oh, oh. Wow! He chose. Did you choose Squirtle? Yes, he did. You chose Squirtle, didn't you? Yes, he did. Okay, Nitro. Okay, so Nitro's starter Pokemon is Squirtle. That's the one I chose when I first played Pokemon Red version. I chose Squirtle. So you're just like Daddy. Yes.
I want Charmander.
Alright, let's go get Nyla.
Yeah. Nyla.
Oh, what's that? Go get it. Go, Nyla. Which one? Which one, huh? Which one?
Charmander. Charmander.
Which one should you go for? Squirtle.
Oh, they're the same.
They're the same. Yeah, yep, exactly the same, yeah.
Oh, yeah, she
she's
really
better
wants
Bulbasaur. Oh, what about Charmander? Nah, you like
I like
Squirtle, don't
Charmander.
you? You like Squirtle, hey, yeah. Well, there you go. Nyla likes Squirtle. You like Nitro. Yes, you're the same as Nitro. You did. You go. You chose Squirtle, didn't you? You chose Squirtle, right? Yes, you did. Yes, you chose Squirtle. Everyone likes Squirtle. That's it. Oh.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Romeo, you choose one.
Your teeth.
Which one do you want? You choose one.
Good. Come on, choose one. Pick one.
Oh, Charlie.
Are you doing the at the start of the Game Boy?
Yeah. See which one you choose.
Oh, Bundaberg was lime bitter.
Okay, so you,
oh, thank
you want all of them, do you?
Hey, oh, Daddy's taking them all. Daddy's taking them all.
Hoarding.
He has a Pikachu and a Snorlax from.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, Vince bought it.
Romeo, this is for you.
Slap nylon.
Merry Christmas. That's yours because you picked him. That's your toy now.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. That's for you, Romeo. You got Charmander.
Why are you
Did
eating?
he choose Charmander? I thought...
I will promise you.
Oh, no, not this, baby. It's your food.
Oh, let's go on a quick.
Alright, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panunod sa video na to. So, eto na po ang katapusan ng vlog natin. But before we leave, I just want to shout out our awesome Golden Dwantro Fam. So here we go. First we have John Seed, Kiko Arps, Rosel Ruiz Nofke. I always get confused with your name, Rosel. Murder King's Vlog, the Uripino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, Pakit Paglinawan, Cheryl Suarez Buo, Edita Razon, Gold's Life, Mickey Me, Romeli Banya's Vlog, Thome TV, The Aussie and His Wife, Leia Garvey, Anne and Leslie Channel, The Ramsey Family, Shane Ransborg, Paul T, Mary J. Lee, DXMT, Haley and Ashley Sisters, Xavier's Family Vlogs, Daramis, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Tai Chi's Adventures, Nati Vontien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Thank you guys so much for your support and the names you see on the screen here. Ito po yung mga certified Dwantro Fam natin. They've been rolling kanina pa. Ayan, so marami na kayo, no? Mga 100 na sila. So thank you so much guys sa inyong suporta. So we'll keep you updated sa sunod na video ng Dwanta. Kita-kits po sa sunod na video natin and bye for now.
Everything to me if you let me love you.
You know they're in there. Get him there. You get him. You get him. You get him like a cucumber.